Creating video content on a regular basis can be extremely time-consuming for busy entrepreneurs, but now Magic Design is going to make your life a lot easier. Leveraging Magic Design, you can create a video synced perfectly to music in seconds, and I'm going to show you how to do that inside of this tutorial. Without further ado, let's hop in. Magic Design is just one of many magic features inside of Magic Studio. If you would like access to a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro, don't forget you can always utilize my link, lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Now, you may have seen Magic Design being used in the case of making static graphics or even making presentations, but you can also fast forward your video editing time by utilizing this feature. So all you need to do is upload your content, describe what you're hoping you'll see in the video, and Magic Design will perfectly sync the audio to your clips and create a video for you. So what we're going to do is actually leverage Canva on my phone to upload the clips, and then I'll show you how this works inside of the Canva Design Editor on my desktop. So you can leverage Magic Design whether you are using a mobile device or using Canva on your computer. Once you open up Canva on your cell phone, you can click on Magic Studio in the bottom right-hand corner, and then you're going to slide over to Magic Design for videos. Then we'll tap on Try Magic Design. From there, you'll want to upload at least 3 clips to add to your video. I've uploaded 3 clips of my friend's new business. Today is their grand opening, and so I thought it would be fun to play around with some clips of their exterior, their brochures, and the smoothie bowls that I purchased. So once you have uploaded the clips that you want to use, you'll need to select them. And to upload, you'll see there is a button in the top left-hand corner to do that. So we're going to select these 3 clips. You'll see at the bottom, describe the kind of video you want. We'll use this to generate a design. So what I want to type in here is a video to promote a new business. So that is our prompt there. And once we have the prompt typed in, we're going to tap in the bottom right-hand corner, and that is going to generate the video. So you can see here, it's going to fill in at the bottom, and then it's going to pop the video directly into a new Canva Designs. So it was even able to tell me that this was Playa Bowls, which is the name of the business, which is pretty wild. So it added in a little bit of text here. We're serving up delicious bowls of fruit, granola, and yogurt. Come on down and check us out today. So that's actually pretty wild because I told it none of that stuff. Okay, so if you want to make edits from there, you can select the clips and make changes. I think I want to go ahead and transition to the computer to show you what it would look like inside of the desktop version. What's wonderful about Canva is the same thing that I saw on my cell phone is now present within the desktop version of Canva. So if I wanted to go in and I wanted to change the way any of the auto-generated text appeared, I can simply tap on it just like I would any other time on a text box and change that. I can stretch this if I wanted to fill the background. And let's see, that looks pretty good there. And if you want to remove anything, you can do that as well. So I'm actually going to delete that, which is going to change the length of the clip. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this tutorial is simply tap here and show you that it added in its own little transitions. If I wanted to change it, all I have to do is tap on the transitions. Maybe instead I want to stack it, and I can hit play in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This might be my favorite magic feature. Okay, I know I'm a video girl and I definitely enjoy really good video content. As much time as I spend in other editors, this is amazing. Okay, so simply what you can do in your business is you can capture clips on your cell phone. You can go ahead and open up a template within Magic Design on your cell phone. And if you want to refine it on a bigger screen where you have more space, you can do that. So the ability to be able to go back and forth between the desktop and the mobile version is really exciting. And it already has the music built in and it's timed to the beat, which I think is fantastic. So you can see in the top right-hand corner, the duration of this clip. If I want to go ahead and save it, I can just click on share, download, and download the MP4 video. I can also drag it if for some reason I wanted it in 4K, and I can upload it in 4K. And if I connect my social accounts, it will generate a license for the music so that when I share it on Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook, I have access to the music file in the background. So you no longer need to worry about having license-free music because the music that Canva will sync to it is music that they can grant you the license for. So I think this is a home run, to be completely honest with you. And I hope it helps you to create video content with ease so you don't have to be stressed about marketing your business online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it and check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials about video editing capabilities inside of Canva. Until next time, ta-ta for now.